Morning, everyone. Dave Donalds here, Director of Technology and Innovation here at Keller Williams Realty Falls Church. I want to take a quick moment and show you how to prepare yourself to get ready for importing contacts directly into Command from whatever system you're currently using. Like in the Edge, there's a downloadable CSV file that you can start importing your documents to, that when you have access to Command, you can turn around and upload directly into. So once you're in Contacts, or if you have access to, or when you have access to Command, come here and click on your Contacts button. And over here, you've got a download folder. So click on that. Import contacts. In order to import contacts, download the pre-made CSV file and upload your contacts into the system. So go ahead and click on download. And go ahead and get that spreadsheet there. And you can start incorporating data right into that spreadsheet right now. It doesn't matter if you're a top producer, eEdge, Wise Agent, you can start incorporating that data directly into this sheet now and save it to your PC. And once you have access to Command, just go ahead and upload it. So thanks for taking the time to watch this quick video. If you need any help, contact your local technologist, tech ambassador, or Command expert. Have a great day.